So in this video I'll show you how to use Python 3 in order to create an interactive mini calculator. This is my code. So let's see how it's works. I will run the file, the Python 3 file from the desktop using Windows command prompt. And as you can see, we have to choose one of 4 mathematical operators. Let's choose the division as example. The first value 12 as example. 12 divided with 3 and the result is 4. And I've used a while loop in order to back to the main menu or exit from the program. Let's back to the main menu using yes. Let's choose another operators, for example subtraction. Let's see 64. Thanks for watching.